Hey, baby. There's my swinging chicken. There's my swinging chicken. There's my swinging chicken. There's our newest addition down here. The little ones, little babies.
On the other side.
Hello, babies. What are you doing? What are you doing, little ones? They've grown already. Just in a week or so's time, they've grown. From the size of an egg to about the size of 3 eggs now. Little rascals. What are you doing? What are you doing, Miss Buck Buck? Miss Buck Buck. Oh, y'all ain't figured out how to get down there, huh? Oh, maybe some more will get on their swing now that it's higher. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Miss Buck Buck? That's Miss Buck Buck. What are you doing, Miss Buck Buck? Huh? What are you doing? There's Sissy up there. There's your Sissy. Wondering who's going to get up on the swing next. They're trying to figure out how to get down there, I guess.